Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to contact Shopify support. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To contact with Shopify support, type here shopify.com/contact and select contact support. Now you have to log in into your account and now select the store and now choose the way you want to contact with Shopify support. You can select chat, email, phone. So right now I'm going to select here chat option, and now you have to give here and solve this captcha and click on chat with us. And here you can see the chat box has been opened and our agent has been joined to this conversation. So this was how we can contact with Shopify support. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.